Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo course, the Pleasurable Expansion. Now we will learn how to do a batch operation to reset the forgetting index, in case you have modified it beforehand. So before doing that, very quick recap. In the toolkit options, in the loading tab, we have the default forgetting index. Now I set it to 8 for the sake of the example, so it's not 10. That is usually the default. Nice. Then we can always set any element, any item can have a forgetting index, requested forgetting index. In this case it's 13. Yet again, not a default of 10, and not my collection default, which is 8. And I can do this element by element. We have seen that. Now we will do this in batch, in bulk. So let's say that this flat, let's say I do care about the glossary, its vocabulary, the key bindings, and all of that. So what I would do, I will select those two. So let's say I want to really remember the key bindings. I want a forgetting index very low. So what I'm going to do is open this to the browser, and now process the browser, forgetting index, and I'm going to set the default. Setting forgetting index is telling, hey, I want precisely this number. I want 5%, 8%, 12%, or whatever. I don't want that. I want the default. Let me show the column to you. You see here everything is default, but there are some 10s. Now my default, it's 8. Okay. So I have, let me see. Okay. So the first 24 elements happens to be that they have a forgetting index of 10. Regardless of the number, it's not the default. It's a specific number. So what I want to do is, hey bro, reset this. So process browser, forgetting index, default forgetting index. Do you want to change the forgetting index of all browser elements? Yes. 24 conversions done. Why? Because all of the other already had a default. So now everything points to the default, whatever that number is. In my case, now, today, it's 8. But anytime in the future, I can change it back to 10 or whatever I want. So all of the elements will be pointing to that new value, regardless. And yeah, even if it looks like it's the same feature, it's not. That's all for now. See you in the next video.